It's around quarter to 6 p.m. and it rained, unfortunately. I'm scheduled to go out with my PE Golden Girls. Diba? Patablas ang video sa iyo. Nakatatigaw. See, it's raining. Ah! Raining outside. Pouring rain. Raining really hard. Hard. Raining really hard. See, there's another spout there. Woo! Saladlukan. Lightning and thunder. Last night, the lightning and thunder was terrifying. It was the loudest I've ever heard in my life. And it was non-stop for like an hour. So hopefully tonight it won't be as bad as yesterday. Yesterday doesn't have wind though. It's just raining and thunder and lightning. But tonight it's pouring rain with a lot of wind and a little lightning and a little thunder. But it's really coming down hard. Ang amo niya hinulsol, what we regret the most in buying that house in Isabela is because we didn't think that, you know, we're gonna get old and it's difficult to climb stairs. And, amo na gani nga, amo na nga ako nga project sa bong. Ang small room sa dalo. Ang
yung master bed na dila.
Okay, what's in there is a double bed. Na double beds. Na double bed.
Yung master bed.
Kasi hindi na kami kasaka kung ito sa babaw. So, kung hindi na kami kasaka, previously, we would sleep sa, may nakasoka bed man ko lang yung bakal ko sa living room. So, dito kami natulog kung isa sa living room. So, now, ang ng project ko, I asked him to remove the double bed, which he hasn't done yet. Tapos, mapakala ko sa bed niya para sa tayo na queen size perhaps. Magkaigo. At dito na lang kami matulog.
Yes.
Nga, kaya kung dito kami sa living room, kag-ginot din off, we have to switch on the aircon, which is 1.5
Which is
horsepower.
in your room.
Sa may living room. Ang living room ko kag kitchen, kag dining, may isa ka 1.5 horsepower na aircon. So, if we sleep there, we have to switch this on. Siyempre, mas nakakulimpi. Pero kung dito ko sa small room, we only have a half horsepower aircon. Okay? Ito, dapat.
Bawal mo na sa...
Ini, sa farm namin.
Malinaw ang furnish, no?
Ano nga well furnished? May ka lang kita sa itsura sila nga kwarto. Everything in it na siya nga kwarto. As in, it's a tragedy that room.
Thursday.
Ano na naman itong yung surgery ni Marshall?
Ay, siyempre nagkuhan eh. Nag-firm ka. Change niya.
Ang ganun.
Wala, change. Usually dapat sa...
Vlog ko kasi I cannot keep up with the editing. Buglay.
Sana all na tayo.
Silver lang eh. And a really thin one of that.
Tito, anong landmark? Pakadto dala sa inyo. Kaya tita senda nga ba na eh?
Pero ini kay ano tawag sini pasensya na ka mo regalo ko na lang kay ang akong dala na ubos.
Okay.
So nagbakal na lang ko diri sa tugang. Anyway, oo. Ikaw, hindi ko kabala ko lang ng type nyo. You want it thinner or you want it a little thicker? This is
Ano nga lang? Saan gusto? Ano
ankle.
dati?
Para sa ankle. Uncle, they will do it. Like this, like this, like this, like this.
Where? Oo.
Pero I don't know how thick you want it.
Is this white silver?
No, silver na siya.
Silver?
Pero kailangan
Oo.
siya. Dili ko na lang yung bili sa Philippines. Kaya I only brought a few.
Sige.
Kinaubos na through the days na pinanghatag ko
Ano,
sa mga
wala
sino
na
masugat
tayo
pa.
school, sa chapel.
Who I
Tama,
meet.
no, as in
Sa
bahay.
Bakabaw nag-short.
Tapos may Ozaki, masulod kasi sa Ozaki. Namin na niya.
Oo.
Tapos,
Oo.
right. Sa right na ito na.
Escalator. So, we're walking. Dalawa na lang kami. Kasi Toto had to go somewhere and Regina didn't make it. Kaso ang dami-daming ingay. How do you call this? Kimchi in a dish. Na daw, pinapano siya sa meal mo. It adds, pang appetizer siya.
Ano gimang supposedly before you eat or during your meal?
During the meal. Nang pampaalis umay din.
Ay, soju ba yung pagmana?
Ha?
Wait,
Ay, yeah. Ay, you haven't tried it? Diyos ko. But it's mild. It's just mild.
Pero nakainom ako. Yung I mean, ko pala, di ba sa Korean, usually may mga ano
Oo,
sila, soju.
mababa ang alcohol content niya. It will take a lot of soju for you to get
Kasi sakit sa ulo.
get the lipong-lipong.
Pero sa ano ko, sakit ulo kasi nakuha yung soju.
Ako, soju and beer usually.
Soju hindi?
Beer together.
Huh?
Yeah, why mo nakita sa mga Korean drama nga they mix soju with beer?
Ang balaan ko lang ibutang sa gamay nga basta and then dobi na.
Amo na siya.
Pero diri sa
Soju
sa
and beer.
Tondiyan na butangan nila Sprite and Yakult.
Added paano siya para to siguro neutralize na din or flavor up the drink.
Hindi.
Pero may mga flavored naman kasi ang soju na. It comes in like all types of flavor.
Yeah.
You like that one, no? Parang, no?
Ah,
Kasi meron yan doon, but you have to have license to buy alcoholic beverages dito. Yeah. Kasi it's haram. Drinking alcohol is haram. Yeah. Haram means it's a sin.
yuck.
Yeah. So, you have to... I don't...
Ano ka?
Kay lactose intolerant ako.
Wala siya live. It's
Oh
not
my
working.
gosh,
We go to
it's
the
not
other
working.
side. We go to the other side. It's not working.
Kung saan, ano ang pinaka-importante, going up is more difficult and arduous than
Gani?
going down. And then,
Sila sa going down. Kami supposedly going up.
going up ang dapat may escalator rather than going down. Ay, Lord have mercy. O, diba? Ganito lang po. Sarado na po kasi karamihan ng mga tindahan at umulan. And it's already late afternoon. Oh, what is that?
Ice cream.
Yogurt. I'm not fond of yogurt. I'm more fond of gelato.
What is it?
Gelato!
Sila? Oh my gosh. Ano siya? BTS? Close ang BTS?
Oh, why? It's closed. Permanently closed.
Wow. BTS. You like BTS?
No. Kung sa Korean, I'm an EXO fan.
EXO fan.
Oo.
Ako siya.
Pero I am an SB19 fan.
Yeah.
I went last year sa concert nila sa Bacolod. Dinala ko si Geraldine at saka si Mio.
This is
Pati si
Stella.
Prisha.
This is Stella with
Si Stella ang Frangon Mabayas. Si Geraldine is Ken. Si Mio is Pablo.
Ah.
Is it Training again?
Pero diba, ang leader nila, like si Pablo,
Ah.
tapos si Stel, daw siya lang na daw sikat na daw.
Hindi man all of them are. Pero Stel has the vocal range.
Oo, siya yung ano no, yung mga gusto mga
Ah,
tagas na
oo. Pero ang pinaka-versatile sa kanila ay si
Pablo?
Ken.
kasi pwede ba pa siya mag-rap?
Oo.
There are times nag-rap siya, no?
Not
Diba?
only that, kasi nag-solo siya eh. He also writes and produces his own songs.
Sino galing?
And kagrabe ang
Sino galing mo
ka-write.
gusto? Si Ken?
Si Stel.
Assistant ang gusto mo. Si Ken kay sino?
Kay Jerry Lee. Kay Trisha.
Ano ko lang si Stel, napacheck ko sa doon nag-judge siya sa ano ganito, The Voice.
The Voice.
Napagkas-
I got to know them just 2 years ago. Out of accident lang, I came across their music video, which was made by Mayad. If you can remember Shira Kaburu.
No.
She's Miss Engineering natin noon. She's the CEO of Mayad. They started before like making videos for weddings, review, mga ano ba? Tapos sila ang gumawa ng WAP na video. Isang SB19. I came across it and I was surprised.